Domestic violence knows no boundaries. Even in the vibrant country of Bangladesh, it's an issue that remains largely unaddressed. This documentary aims to shed light on the harsh reality of domestic violence and the silent suffering of countless women in Bangladesh. In the heart of these vibrant cities, behind closed doors, women face unbearable abuse. But hope exists within the shadows. In recent years, efforts have been made to provide refuge and support for victims. Beyond immediate assistance, this organization focuses on long-term solutions, empowering women through education and skill-building programs. Legal reforms also being pursued to ensure that perpetrators are held accountable and justice is served. These brave survivors refuse to be silenced. They are the catalyst for change in Bangladesh. It's time for society as a whole to stand up against domestic violence. Together, we must break the cycle, advocate for change, and create a safe environment for all. Through this documentary, we hope to amplify the voices of survivors, inspire empathy, and ignite a nationwide conversation about domestic violence. Child abuse. In the beautiful countryside of Bangladesh, a sinister problem hides in plain sight: child abuse. This documentary uncovers the heart-wrenching reality of child abuse and neglect, cutting short the innocence of countless young lives. Beyond the laughter and playfulness lies the hidden trauma experienced by these young souls. Amidst this darkness, there are beacons of hope. Dedicated organizations are committed to rescuing, rehabilitating, and protecting these vulnerable children. Empowering communities is the key to preventing child abuse. Awareness campaigns and educational workshops are instrumental in tackling this societal problem. Rehabilitation goes beyond physical safety. Emotional healing, creative outlets, and access to education help these children reclaim their stolen childhood. These resilient children, with immense strength and determination to rise above their past, inspire us to take action. It's time to break the silence, listen to the unheard stories, and protect the future of Bangladesh. Through this documentary, we aim to shed light on the issue, raise awareness, and mobilize a collective effort to eradicate child abuse from the fabric of Bangladeshi society. Sexual harassment. In the vibrant streets of Bangladesh, an insidious threat looms large: sexual harassment. This documentary delves deep into the dark reality faced by women and girls, striving to bring attention to their untold stories. In public spaces, women face a daily battle against unwelcome advances, verbal abuse, and groping. Sparked by outrage, collective voices rise against this epidemic, demanding change. Empowering women through self-defense education and assertiveness training is vital in fostering resilience against harassment. Despite the challenges, brave women refuse to be silent. They stand together, united in their fight against sexual harassment. The path to change is arduous, but not impossible. Progress is being made to create a safer society for all. Through this documentary, we aim to break the silence, shatter taboos, and push for a society where women can move freely without fear or harassment.